So because the main point of our subject is research and the latter is communication skill, and combined within writing and also speaking skill. Let's check it out. So research actually is a systematic process of investigations. Whenever you have, like something curious in your mind, so you need to investigate deeper about your subject, about your topic, about your problem. So then you conduct research. So basically, for research, first you have to find out the topic first. What's your topic? Whether your topic is about science, social, or economy maybe, or politics. And then you find out your problem. The problem here, actually you can find out based on your observations. Maybe you find out from your literature book or also in any other of media and televisions, something like becoming booming in our country or in worldwide. So it depends on you. So first you have to choose your topic and then your problem. Then you create research questions, means a question of problem, statement of problem. Basically for university level or in high school also, we just create 2 till 3 research questions or question of problems here. And then that as a guidance for you to conduct the research. Okay? So first is the topic, the second one is your problem. Third, remember, here we need literacy skill actually, because this is kind of like references for us, okay? Because we have to compare our research later on with another former research before. For example, we take a social topic about maybe bullying or something, right? Yeah, bullying is correct. So it's the main topic is bullying. Now, maybe we can find in the internet that several topics or problems of bullying, or even research that already taken by another people. It could be from another expert or another researchers. And then we have to compile all of the references. We read that carefully, we find out the data and then how they analyze the problem, how they collect the data. We compare with ourselves. We compare with our research, okay? So it's kind of like references once again. After that, after doing a literature review, we call it literature review. So we have to determine what kind of design or methods we're going to use. Here, I'll give you specific methods that you can use whenever you analyze the data. The first one is qualitative method. So in qualitative, actually it's kind of like description. So you're more deeply in understanding natural phenomenon or social life phenomenon, and also basically is the form of description once again. So mostly you will explain about narrative thing here, okay? The data that you can take from the qualitative method is from interview, focus group, and also from existing documents, novel, books, or even newspaper, okay? So the way you analyze for qualitative method is just to describe. You describe your data and then you describe about how you analyze the data itself, okay? Quantitative methods. So here more numeric thing, okay? Because in quantitative we ask about how much or how many. And the data is in the form of scale, interval, and numbers of course, either ordinal or cardinal numbers. And actually both of the qualitative and quantitative we can mix it, because maybe we have topics that has a large scope and then really general to discuss. We will make it to be specific so we can combine qualitative and also quantitative methods. It's easy, right? And finally, after you design the method, you have to analyze the data. So the way you analyze the data, because you have 2 kinds of methods, it will be different. So in qualitative method, the way you analyze the data is by using, you read first your data and then you analyze, you describe, and then you convey all of your thoughts, your arguments based on the data above to be in a narrative phase. But in quantitative, of course, based on the survey questionnaire, and then you find out the percentage, for example, and the number of your data, and then you analyze it. You look at the data first, and then you try to count whether the specific scale is different from the other quantity, something like that. Okay, it will be easy. But basically for linguistics and then for social things or social science, you may apply for qualitative methods, but for scientific things related to science and then physics, chemistry or biology, it's better to use quantitative methods. Okay? Last but not least, you have to draw your conclusion. Conclusion is really important. It means like you summarize all of your analysis, and then you can find out the invention, or you can discover the findings. We call it findings and discussion here. So after you analyze all of the data, you find the conclusion here, then you can summarize, you can, sum up everything, every kinds of your things, data, and then analysis in one, one thing, one unity, we call it conclusions. Okay guys? So, the most essential in conducting research is we are required to be critical. We have to be able to, to get a critical thinking. Because if we just like, for example, in qualitative method, we just need to describe. It's not enough. We have to be critical. After we got the data and then analyze it, of course we have to share about our thoughts, our ideas, right? So once again, both methods are the same actually for one purpose, that is to be critical. For the next is, after your research done, you can publish it. You can publish in an international journal or national journal. Yeah, that's actually need budget for that. International journal. Of course it's expensive one, but I will share several links that maybe it's really free of charge for international journal, because why we need to publish our research, our work in journal. It means like our campus or school one day, your campus one day, all of the institutions in Indonesia needs kind of like a research skill for every kinds of subject, major, all of major. Even though you take a marine major, linguistics, economy, and even the simple one like language, you need kind of research skill. And actually this is as a request from our minister, right? So the first one is research skill. We need to explore more for our young generations to be a researcher, because we have to develop our country. Okay, baby? Thank you so much for watching me, for explaining about research and communication skill. Later on, for the next session, I will